In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stretch text in Canva. Sometimes the text in your design doesn't fit perfectly, or maybe you want your lettering to have more impact. Stretching text is a simple way to enhance your designs. First, open Canva and navigate to the design project you want to work on. Once your project is opened, locate the text element you want to modify. Click on the text box you want to stretch. When selected, a bounding box will appear around the text. This indicates it's ready for editing and manipulation. Notice the small handles at the corners and along the sides of the box. To stretch your text, click and drag one of the side handles left or right, depending on the direction you want to stretch it. As you drag, the text inside stretches to match the new box size. Remember, it's all about balance. You want your text to be elongated enough to fit your vision but avoid overstretching, which can distort readability unless that's the look you're going for. And that's it. Stretching text in Canva can make your text elements more dynamic, whether you're designing posters, flyers, or social media content. Experiment with different sizes and fonts to see what works best for your project.